awesome.
Okay, room 668 at the Waldorf Monarch Beach. Coming through the front door here. You can see the bathroom there on the left. We'll get there in a second. These closets right here. Got some slippers in there. A safe, flashlight, extra bedding up top. Waldorf robe. An iron there in the corner. Very good. Looking this way, you come in here. A beautiful shower here. Looks really, really nice. This bath right here. Eucalyptus bath salts. Modern aromatherapy. Let's see what they got in here. These soaps. Aesop geranium leaf body cleanser. Shampoo classique. Okay. Here we go. So, if we look over here, got dual vanity. That's nice. Let's see what's in this drawer here. Hair dryer in the drawer. A body balm. And then hand wash. All the Aesop. Magnifying mirror. Another robe there. Towels in the corner. A throne room there. And come out this way. Here's the room. Nice little bench here to sit. Nice little counter. This room has 2 queen beds. You can see into the bathroom with these shutters. Side table there. Decent little TV, some waters. Let's see. Got a mini bar in here. I don't know if that's a regular fridge or just a mini bar. So we'll have to check that out. And over here, nice little desk with 2 chairs. Lounging chair over here. And then a nice little balcony right here. Not too much of a view on this side, but it's a nice day.